Welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute. Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. Hey Mark, what's going on, buddy?
Fitz, good to be here with you.
Good to have you with us, man.
It's not too often, but I love being in front of our people here.
Isn't it awesome?
Yeah,
it's great.
love it.
Welcome to Monday morning. We're excited to have you with us. I'd like to start this Monday Morning Minute off by thanking Dr. Matthew LaSorsa for putting on an absolute awesome LPRF course down in Orlando, Florida. We had a handful of doctors down there that really are going to integrate the IntraSpin into their practice and learn how to use the LPRF bone grafting, spinning the blood and using it to help their patients. And it was just such an awesome event. And thank you very much for doing the live surgery as well, Matt. Thank you again. You're the best.
What a great partner.
He's a great
partner. He's been a great partner over the years, always willing to help.
So let's get into what's happening here in Buffalo. Next week, we're going to be having our last advanced course of the year. Believe it or not, another year in the record books.
I can't believe it.
But what's great is we're going to be talking about Xantex. It's a brand new fiber resin material that we're using in the laboratory, and it's getting so popular. I mean, if you haven't tried it yet, give it a shot. But Dr. Shatkin has a few new tricks under his belt that he's going to show everyone.
Yeah.
And so, Mark, what else are we going to do? I know you put together this beautiful brochure about Buffalo. And I mean, we got one of the wonders of the world in our backyard.
Absolutely. You know, it only took me 10 years to put it together, and answering, the doctors' wives, they're scrambling for dinner reservations. Well, now you'll be able to make advanced reservations. We got a 15% coupon for Dr. Sam's Tray Array Spa. You can send your wife to have a massage or a facial during the day.
Yeah.
I thought it was
awesome.
nice. Yeah,
you got the chicken wings, you got the food native to Buffalo, you have fine dining, you have shops and boutiques, malls.
Yes.
And who doesn't want a spa if you come out to Buffalo? Take advantage of Dr. Sam. Dr. Sam's has a great spa over at the hotel. It's beautiful.
Absolutely.
But and go to Niagara Falls when you're at it.
Niagara Falls, we have it all listed. If you plan on going to Canada, remember to bring your passport. But I think this is going to be a nice thing for them to sit down, this weekend and look at it and make plans for while you're here.
And this is on our website, right?
It's on the website,
ShatkinF.com.
Awesome. Thanks to Garen. He did a great job.
So we had a meeting, and we've discussed what we're going to do for all of our doctors in 2025. And we're also doing it to the folks who come next week.
That's right.
We're going to shoot 40 30-second spots next week, right?
Yes, we are. It's crazy, but what an unbelievable opportunity that Dr. Todd has come up with.
Absolutely.
We not only teach the doctors how to do his patented F.I.R.S.T technique, but it's a full everything in one barrel. We teach them how to do it, how to bring patients in, and this is one of the greatest opportunities that over 10 years, like I've been here, and finally we're getting it right, or whatever, But,
we're slow learners.
Yeah.
But that's okay. We're doing it now.
Yeah, and the doctors are going to get a free 30-second commercial if they come in. But that's not all. We're going to shoot a commercial, whether you're a new doctor or one of our established doctors who haven't had the opportunity, or maybe we're a little shy about doing TV. But let me tell you, you're going to, again, at this advanced course, hear of all the success that TV has brought to our doctors. You want to be a part of it, whether you're a new doctor or an established doctor. We all love you, and this is just a tremendous opportunity.
Yeah.
But Fitz, that's not all.
What else is going on?
Not only are we going to give them the 30-second spot, but we're going to be able to place it on their local TV station. It's one thing to have it, and you can put it on your website. Where, if you're working with Garen, he'd be more than happy, but we'll work with you to put it on your website.
So here is an example of a 30-second spot we made, and our good colleague Garen has moved up into the DDS ranks. So I hope you enjoy it.
There's a lot in life to smile about. Are loose dentures or missing teeth keeping you from enjoying the things you love? Don't miss out on enjoying life's precious moments. You can be you again with affordable mini dental implants. You can smile again, laugh out loud, and have your self-confidence back. Let us help you make it memorable.
Hi, I'm Dr. Evanson. Call the Aesthetic Associates Center today for a free consultation and give me the opportunity to change your life.
But not only that, Fitz, there's more, believe it or not.
Yeah.
We're going to help educate your front end staff on how to answer calls that come in for mini dental implants.
And you know, Dr. Shatkin, to interrupt you a second, Dr.
Yeah.
Shatkin did say that he's going to do a mock case consultation at the course because he wants to show everyone who's attending on how he goes about getting a patient to accept treatment with mini and mono dental implants. So that'll be good too.
That's huge. But we're going to be able to do the commercial for you. We're going to put it on TV. There's a little cost involved in that, and we're going to educate your staff at no charge and provide you with our scripts that are available. But not only that, we're going to listen to the phone calls that come in on the tracking number that will be on the commercial. And that's huge because
great.
we're going to be, if
Absolutely.
there's something that's not right, we can help educate. This is an opportunity, Fitz, you've seen it. You know doctors, you talk to them all the time.
All the time,
This
every
is
day.
an unbelievable opportunity. And remember, my final word to you, and I've lived life, is that life is all about opportunity and taking advantage of them. Please sign up, call the doctors, and we may do this next year too.
Yeah.
But speaking of next year, if it's free, it's for me. Fitz, what's going on in February?
So on February 21st and 22nd, we're going to have our first course of the year. And I'll tell you what, a lot of people go, oh, yeah, I'm not sure if I want to go to Buffalo in February. Let me tell you, it's a great time of the year to be here,
Great time.
especially if you like snow skiing. I mean, it's
the best.
We may not have the mountains that Park City, Utah does, but
No.
I'll tell you what, it's very, very nice. We get a ton of people from Canada that come down and enjoy our skiing right here in Buffalo. It's about 45 minutes south of Buffalo, and it's wonderful skiing. So we're also going to be offering the free commercial, the free 30-second spot, all of 2025.
Wow.
So yeah, that's
Wow.
hey, if
That's-
it's free, it's for me. My good buddy Jim
got
Kelly told me that
That's
once.
right.
So,
Yeah, Jim Kelly,
If it's
Hall of
free, it's for
Famer.
me. So we are so looking forward to seeing everyone next week for the advanced course. Mark, thank you very much for coming on to the
Thanks,
Monday Morning
Fitz,
Minute.
for letting me come out of my office.
We let him out every once in a while. But we hope you have an unbelievable week placing mini and mono implants. You have any questions, you call us. We'll be there to help you. We're here 24/7. So have a great week. And if we don't, well, you'll see us before Thanksgiving, but we also hope this holiday season is excellent for you and yours. Take care.